JPC is one of the leading solution providers for data center interconnect and Internet of Things devices. We've been in this market for over 24 years. Our annual revenue is $173 million US. Our JPC core competencies are data center copper and optical interconnection products, Internet of Things devices and accessories, consumer electronics interconnection products. JPC in total has 3 R&D centers and 4 factories. One R&D center is located in Taipei and the other 2 are in Dongguan, China. As to factories, one is located in Taipei and the other 3 are in China, Dongguan and Kunshan. We have more than 6,000 employees, over 250 R&D engineers focusing on the latest technology to provide innovative solutions for customers. We have all kinds of hardware lab equipment and software tools, enabling us to provide all the necessary product verification process. We are vertical integrated, raw cable manufacturing to final cable assembly, and connectors, stamping, molding to automatic assembly are all made in-house. We also have SMT equipment and FATP capability that can manufacture all kinds of electronic devices and accessories. We have branch offices or agents in America, Europe, Japan, and other Asian countries. Our strong balance sheet can help generate new products every year. Our product and process manufacturing experts continuously develop high-speed, high-density, waterproof products, signal integrity products based on upfront industrial trends and customer needs. JPC is a member of various interconnect industrial committees, including SAS, SATA, PCIe, USBIF, QSFP, HDMI, and WPC. We have completed MPO-MTP patch cord, AOC for QSFP 40G, HDMI, and USB. QSFP 100G AOC is also about to be launched. Our quick turn capability can fabricate and deliver urgent samples in 3 to 5 working days to any place in the world. All our factories are ISO 9001, 14001, Green Partner, RoHS, and REACH certified. We care very much about our customers and employees. We've been verified by various global brand companies and received their CSR certificates. We also aggressively give back to the community by supporting resources to cultural creative industries and individual makers in various ways. We use solid ERP, BPM, MES, and EDI system that can link customers directly to enhance business speed and efficiency. We are JPC, a solution provider of data center interconnect and Internet of Things devices. We provide you exclusive expertise in customization, innovation, and effective productivity.